So as natural for you, that's how me make a little underwind.
It's not good for us because it's not important for us
To show your naturalness.
Our breath.
So I'm just
I said I'm
Masana.
Yeah.
Agreement.
So now we must go see you the next time when
See you next time. Okay. Thank you very much. Nice meeting you, Masana.
thanks.
Our love is alive, and so we begin. Foolishly laying our hearts on the table, stumbling in. Our love is a flame, burning within. Now and then, firelight will catch us, stumbling in. Wherever you go, whatever you do, you know these reckless thoughts of mine are following you. I'm falling for you, whatever you do. 'Cause baby, you've shown me so many things that I never knew. Whatever it takes, baby, I'll do.
Man, I'm so high. I got Kill Bill, Scar, Ammo, and Smash, plus Ghost Wonder and Jesus. Yeah, it's like a paradox, man. Black Snow Empire. Let's do this shit. Yeah, okay. Mother Nature dropped me off with the crane modulator. Said I was dark, evil and black, abominator. Bad black copy from the almighty creator.
Billionaire. This one goes out to all the ladies, beautiful ladies. I can't live without you, baby. I wouldn't dare and leave 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 without you, baby. Wouldn't dare and leave without you, baby. I wouldn't dare and leave without you, baby.
Set our nation free again. Oh, Jah, free again. Set our nation free again. The cool man, the black man want to be free again. White and Indian and Syrian too. Free again. For I never know that Jah makes some of his people to be born. Jah never makes some National disaster. A big question posed to me daily on the street. Many want to know the reason am a Rasta man. Many people see and many people ask I, why am I a Rasta man? Many people see and many people ask, why am I a Rasta man? But it is because of the Babylon and the situation. It's because of the Babylon and the situation. When I was a boy about 8 years old, there was a certain Rasta man, and he loved all the children, and he treated us like a man.
Wat heb je net? Ik ben hier staan. Hier staan. Dit is just een logo. Yo. Hey. Zo. En nu was dit. Ja. Waarom jullie nou? Ja, wat ga je dan mee? Zeg maar, waarom met dit? Kom maar daar, wat ben je? Menjani pap? Papa menjani? Na semua mle ko brasha ngasa do ngu yara. Menjani man? Wo ta ba ngambe. Wo voa. Wo kotamba. Wo kotamba mlamboni. Menjani papa? Ya, apa baru dem ka siapa? Yo.
Machuba.
Ya, anda zona ne? Ya, papa. Hi. Very good. Yeah. Sama vai. Yeah, vai. Hey. See you next time. Maybe next year. Maybe next year. Stick a fire, what?
This is for 88 billionaire. This one goes out to all the ladies, beautiful ladies. I can't live without you, baby. I wouldn't dare and leave 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 without you, baby.